Okay guys, welcome to my brand new tutorial guys. In today's video, I'm sharing this update. I've been seeing people talking about it. Okay, so this is a mining project. You mine and earn a percent on it. They have top up, they have free plan. So I'm talking about a free plan. Now you see the mining is mining for free plan. So you see, when you click on the link first time, they will show you to join a channel. When you join a channel, you will receive $3. You see it. This is my own gift for subscribing to their channel. $3 referral. So you see, this is the referral link that I'll copy. It will always be in the comment section of my video. Okay, so you see here, boost the bot to the maximum, invite one more person, or top up your wallet, and after that it will start generating even more income. So when you invite a friend and the friend start mining, you will earn more. Your mining speed will increase, and the minimum withdrawal is $1. Okay, once this one reach $1, you can be able to withdraw your money. Make sure you take this video update serious. Since we are talking about the free plan, you can give it a try. This one thing I love about this update: you don't need to come back and claim. It will only be mining automatically. There's no need for you to come back. Let's say after every how many hours you come back and claim. No. So once you already reach 24 hours, they will always send you a message to show you how much you have earned for the day. You see it here. This one, they say sending your profile statistic for the past 12 hours. You see, this is my wallet here and my bonus. So they will just show you your income, your wallet. You see this one is different with this one. Okay, the more the hour is increasing, they will just send you your income, how your balance increase. Okay, so you don't need to come back every time to claim it. So if you click on this three dot, you see top up wallet, transfer money, affiliate program, help desk, transaction history, settings, and etc. So you are need to top up wallet. So if you see, you choose any of this wallet and pick the, let's say for example I choose Bitcoin. So you see here, top up your wallet via Bitcoin, replacement amount in USDT from 3 USDT 5. So 15% to be replacement amount. So you see, if you click on next, for example, then you enter the amount, let's say 3, the way they say it. I'm just giving you an example, or I'm not topping. I'm just giving you an example if you are interested in topping up. But don't forget, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, so all you need to do is do your own research before investing in any online update like this. Okay, and if you want to invest what you know you can afford to lose. All right, so click on next. So you see processing, payment to process to pay. You click on this. So you see here 0.00 BTC. You enter email, then click the button, click the folder, or then transfer. Okay, so that's how it is if you want to top up. But I'm not talking about you to top up anything. Okay, you see, this is the affiliate program. You are going to see everything about their referral here. Make sure you read everything. You see how to invite. Okay, you see transfer money. If you want to transfer, choose anyone here: Bitcoin, Dogecoin, anyone. You click on it, then wallet number, that is the wallet address, then the amount, then click on transfer. This is fund in the account from the wallet, nothing. So you choose any amount, then you send it. Okay, then transaction history, any transaction, you are going to see it here. All right, so since we are talking about the free plan, so guys, give this a try and invite your friends to increase your mining so that you can be able to reach the minimum withdrawal and pull out your money. Okay, the minimum withdrawal is $1. So invite your friends, or if you cannot invite your friend, just join it and just leave it. It will be mining by itself. No need of coming in and doing daily tasks or some of those stressful that much of this are given. So you don't need to do that. But don't forget, only for those that have Telegram, or if you don't have Telegram, this update is not for you. This update is on Telegram. So if you have Telegram, this update is for you. So guys, I wish you happy cash out.